I'm going to explain exercise 23 from the workbook on page 201. The problem says resale value of a used car. If you buy a certain brand of car in D dollars, its value T after T years, is given by the formula, and they give you the formula. If the initial cost of the car is $13,000, I want you to calculate to the nearest dollar the cost of the car within 4 years, and B, in how many years the cost of the car will be less than $4,000. So first of all, remember that we have to understand the context. The context is talking about the value of a car after a specific amount of years. So V, it's my dependent variable, which is the cost of the car. The cost of the car, it's going to depend on the time that goes by. So to do number one, or letter A, which says calculate to the nearest dollar the cost of the car within 4 years, what you would have to do, guys, is first, we know that the formula for finding the cost of the car, it's 0.78 times the cost of the car, the original cost, times 0.85 to the t minus 1. Letter A, it's asking for the cost of the car within 4 years. So my time, what they're giving you, it's your time, and you are finding the value of V, which is the cost. So you substitute 4 into the t, and then from there, guys, you would have to continue. I would have to do this to the third power. You do this to the third power. And then you got to make sure that you put the value back. Well, you got to put the value of your D. D, its original price of the car, it's $13,000. Okay? And then you continue, guys, with the operation. You would do the 0.85 to the 3, which this is really equal to 0.614125, and then you multiply all of those, which is going to give you a result of 6,227.23. Now the problem says for you to calculate to the nearest dollar. So your final answer should be $6,227. Okay, this is your final answer for letter A. So this is how A would look like. Okay, this would be the process for letter A. Okay, guys. Then letter B says for you to find the time in which your cost of the car will be less than $4,000.